श्रीमती हेमा मालिनी जी, डॉक्टर D.Y. पाटिल, श्रीमती शांता देवी पाटिल, डॉक्टर प्रताप सिंह जाधव, डॉक्टर P.D. पाटिल, श्रीमती भाग्यश्री पाटिल, संजय पाटिल, सतेज पाटिल, दीपक मुजुमदार, गीता देवी पाटिल, and all friends. I have no words to describe the performance of Bhagyashri. Let me tell you, it was an amazing performance. Amazing. They say that you have to see to believe it. So I came to see to believe that Bhagyashri performs such a dance. When I received first the invitation, and my PA told me that Srimati Bhagyashri is performing dance, I thought he has committed a mistake. There must be some young girl in the family who must be doing it, and that must be the performance. But when I saw the card, I saw it from all sides to convince myself that it is Bhagyashri who is performing. I could not believe that at this age she could do it. And I had never heard before that she knows dancing. And therefore, in spite of my injured leg, I decided to come and give her a moral support. Dr. D.Y. Patil, of course, he has done a lot of work in the education field. He has established an empire into that. All his children, all his sons, daughters, and even son-in-laws, they are well all talented people. This is a family of talented people. And therefore, Bhagyashri, even at this age, she could think of performing a dance. This classical dance is a very difficult art. And you have to have a agile body. You have to do it with devotion, the classical dance. And see the pains that she has taken. She has gone to different temples to imbibe the divine spirit, to put that into her dance. And she has given a grace to her dance. So it was graceful, divinely, and inspiring dance. In spite of her age, she had and as she was performing it for the first time, so she had the stage courage to come and perform it. That required a lot of stage courage also, and it was for the first time. If I was told that this dance is being performed by some very talented person, probably I would not have come. But I wanted to see the dance of Bhagyashri and appreciate her. And it was really amazing. I have all the good words and all my blessings to her to go ahead with her full devotion, full determination, full spirit, and full blessings of Devi and divine. She had the moral support of all her family. Even the granddaughter, she came on the stage and gave her speech to thank all of us. And Mr. P.D. Patil, he has given her all support, has encouraged her in going ahead with her hobby. And she has received the moral support from all the members of the family. This is what is needed for a person to go ahead. If you decide on your own to do things, probably you may not do it your best. But when the family members support you, I think you have all the courage and determination, and you see, you get the talent to do it most efficiently. So I appreciate Bhagyashree, of course, but Mr. P.D. Patil also for giving the moral support and uh, encouraging her for going ahead with this hobby. Both of them, they were on the stage. So when he came for the first time, I thought they are going to perform a duo now. They, I think next time Bhagyashree should try to have E.D. Patil also with her so that they can have Lakshmi Narayan dance. And this time it was only Lakshmi. Next time it was Lakshmi Narayan. And that would be a wonderful thing. Once again, I give them all my good wishes to go ahead. God bless them.